whispered to the night, a tale of stars, a fleeting light we dare to dream. We dare to fight.
Through shadows deep we carved our way, too fragile hearts, too soft to stay, a world too cold we couldn't obey.
Oh, how they called, oh, how they cried,
but love was louder than their pride.
Runaway hearts, the moon our guide, a trembling flame, no place to hide. We'll chase the dawn, we'll steal the skies. Runaway hearts where love won't die. The chimney's ash, the shepherd's tears, we left behind a trail of fears,
But every step erased the years.
the world it turned, it couldn't see a love that blooms so recklessly. A fairy tale, just you and me.